Course 1 Math Lesson 22. Let's do some word problems dividing into equal groups again, this time using fractions. Here's a collection of 6 blue circles, right? Now, they drew lines between each pair to show how many total rectangles here. I see 3 rectangles. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a rectangle right here. Okay, and there's 3 of those. So we had 6 circles, and now it's in thirds because there's 3 total groups. All right, we see that how many are in each third. There's a pair in each third, so 2 in each third, which means how many are in 2/3? Well, a third times 2 is 2/3, which means we just need what is a group worth times 2. And there's 2 in each times 2. That means 2/3 is 4. Okay. Down here we have a collection of how many? 12 divided into fourths. How much is in each fourth? 3. Therefore, what would 3/4 be? Would be 9. Sorry about that. Let's keep moving. 2/3 of the 12 musicians played guitars. How many of the musicians played guitars? This is a two-step problem. First, we divide the 12 musicians into 3 equal groups, which would be thirds. Each will show 4 musicians in each. Let me show you what I mean. We've got 12 musicians, so why don't we draw that first? Just kind of put them in a group nearby. 12. That's 12 if I counted right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Okay. Now, 2/3. Show it as a fraction. 2/3. Okay. So you always start on these problems with the denominator. This tells you how many groups. How many groups. So we need to make this 3 groups. So 1, 2, 3. Now what do we do with this? This is how many we're looking for in our answer. That's the count for answer. Okay, separated by a fraction bar there. Okay, so we have 4 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 of these, so it's going to be 4 plus 4, and our answer will be 8 if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look at the next page. Looks good. This is their neater drawing of what I just did. Corey finishes 3/4 of the 28 problems, so we start with the denominator, and we divide 28 by 4, which gives me 7, and then I multiply by 3. So you divide your total by the denominator, and then you multiply that by the numerator. 28 divided by 4 was 7 times 3, 21. Let's take a look at what they said. 21 problems. How much money is 3/5 of $3? Again, take $3, divide it by 5. That's 60 cents. Multiply by what? Numerator. 6 times 3 is 18. So 60 times 3 is 180 or $1.80. And the visual picture we started at the beginning of the lesson would look something like that. What number is 3/4 of 100? Divide your 100 into fourths. write what each fourth is worth. If you divide by 4, then count up 3 of them. 25 times 3 is 75. Here's a percent of a circle one. We'll finish on this before lesson practice. What percent of a whole circle is 1/5? You could use your fraction manipulatives from investigation 2 here, and you'd get the answer right away, I think. But the way we can figure this out, a whole is 100%, right? Okay, divide 100 by denominator, 5. That's 20. Times 1/5 is 20%. Times 3/5 will be 60%. And they explain that right here, okay? So let's try A, B, D, F, please. Thank you.